Hi and welcome back. Today I just want to do a really quick video for the GameSir controller case which fits the ANAFI controller, and also for a landing pad that is on a real special deal at Amazon. So this is the GameSir, it's designed for the GameSir controller, Bluetooth controller, but it really is a nice fit for the ANAFI controller. As you can see, the ANAFI controller fits in it well, and you can put your props and your Allen key in there. It is slightly big, but it doesn't move around because it's held in by the top. $8.99 this is on Amazon currently. I'll put the link down below for this. I got it on Prime, so I got it next day delivery, and it really is an ideal little case, because you get the case with the drone, but obviously you get no case with the controller. DJI did the same thing with the Mavic Air, give you a really nice case for the Mavic Air and then nothing to put your controller in. So for $8.99 I think this is the bargain. As you can see, it's quite protected in there. If you drop it, it's not going to get damaged. So $8.99 at Amazon. Really is a nice bit of kit. So $6.99 this was at Amazon. Now I have put the link in for this down below, but it's showing out of stock. I'd imagine it will come back in stock because I've seen it before. Whether it'll come back in at $6.99 is a totally different matter. Do you need one of these? No, but it's just great for when you do your return to home, so you know where you set off from. And if you're in a bit of grass and it's a bit taller than you'd like, you're not going to get anything in your gimbal because they do peg down. I'll let you have a look at this one. So this is the mat. Now you get 4 pegs with it, so there's no problem pegging it down into grass so it doesn't blow away. And as I said, the beauty is you're not going to damage your gimbal, not just for the ANAFI, but especially on something like the Mavic Air where the gimbal's ridiculously low. These are invaluable, and for the money I don't think you can go wrong. So you get the pegs, you get the bag, and you get these. Now these are reflectors to go on here, so if you're doing it at night, it'll light up your landing pad. I've not used them. I've not used them in the other one either. So this is your pad. So I'm going to try and do this on camera. So there you go. You're not going to get all this on camera. It's 80 centimeters, so it's a big one, and as you can see, it's reversible. You might not want the glary orange. No, it might be my imagination, but certainly on the DJI products, they do return to home better with these, because I don't know whether it's the sensors underneath or whatever, and it might be just in my imagination, but for $6.99 you can't really go wrong, and it just folds back up and goes back in the bag. So there you go. So just wanted to have a look at them today, just wanted to show you them today. Like I say, $6.99 for the landing pad and $8.99 on Amazon for the GameSir controller. When I came on here earlier, this was definitely still in stock. I just checked, and as I say, unfortunately that was out of stock. But if you keep your eye on them, I'm sure they'll come back in stock. Hope this video has been useful. It's a lot shorter than normal. I just wanted to get the video out so people could maybe get some kind, because there's a lot of ANAFI out there, and I've seen people on the forum saying where did they get the case. I got recommended this case by someone on the Parrot ANAFI forum on Facebook, and it really is a nice little case. Can't go wrong with it. So you've only got this now and the drone. So thanks very much for watching. Have a fantastic day as always, and if you haven't subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button. If you have subscribed, thank you ever so much for your support.